Paksiw, na Isda. Ingredients: 1 kilo fish, any kind of fish, cleaned. 1 cup water. 1/2 cup vinegar. 3 pieces finger chili. 5 pieces cloves garlic. 1 pieces onion, sliced. 1 pieces ginger, sliced. 2 teaspoons magic syrup mix. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon whole peppercorn. Cooking procedure: heat a pan and cooking pot, then pour in fish, vinegar and water, then add salt, magic syrup and whole peppercorn. Stir. Then add the ginger, garlic, onion, and finger chili. Cover and simmer in low heat for 15 to 20 minutes. Thank you for watching. Kinlaw long. Ingredients: 1/2 kilo silverfish, dulong, cleaned. 6 pieces